We all know that eating a variety of foods is important for good health. But did you know that certain food combinations can actually help your body absorb more nutrients? That's the magic of food pairing. It's like giving your body a helping hand to get the most out of every bite. Pairing certain foods together can unlock nutrients, making them more readily available for your body to absorb. This isn't about complicated diets or restrictive rules. It's about simple, enjoyable tweaks to your meals that can make a big difference in the long run. It's about understanding how different foods interact and complement each other, creating a symphony of flavors and nutritional benefits. So let's delve into the world of food pairing and discover how this delicious approach can pave the way for a healthier, happier you. The concept of food synergy might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. It all comes down to how different nutrients interact with each other during digestion and absorption. Certain nutrients, like vitamins and minerals, rely on specific enzymes and molecules to be effectively absorbed into your bloodstream. When you pair foods strategically, you create an environment where these nutrients can work together, enhancing their absorption and utilization by your body. For example, some vitamins are fat-soluble, meaning they need fat to be absorbed. Eating a salad with a source of healthy fats like avocado or nuts helps your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins present in the vegetables. On the other hand, some nutrients can hinder the absorption of others. For instance, caffeine can interfere with iron absorption. Understanding these interactions helps us make informed choices about what to eat and how to combine foods for optimal nutrient uptake. Vitamins are essential for a myriad of bodily functions, from boosting immunity to supporting healthy vision. But did you know that pairing them with the right foods can significantly enhance their absorption? Vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties, plays a crucial role in iron absorption. By combining vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers, or strawberries with iron-rich sources like spinach, lentils, or red meat, you can significantly improve your body's iron uptake. Similarly, vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption and bone health, works best when paired with calcium-rich foods. Enjoying a glass of milk with your breakfast or adding yogurt to your smoothies ensures you're getting the most out of these bone-building nutrients. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout the body, making it essential for energy production and overall well-being. However, iron absorption can be a bit tricky, as it depends on the type of iron consumed and the presence of certain dietary factors. Heme iron, found in animal products like red meat, poultry, and fish, is more easily absorbed than non-heme iron, found in plant-based sources like beans, lentils, and spinach. To boost the absorption of non-heme iron, it's essential to pair it with vitamin C-rich foods. This simple pairing creates a synergistic effect, enhancing the bioavailability of iron from plant-based sources. On the other hand, certain compounds like tannins found in tea and coffee can inhibit iron absorption. While enjoying these beverages in moderation is perfectly fine, it's best to avoid consuming them with iron-rich meals. Calcium and vitamin D, a dynamic duo for strong bones. Calcium and vitamin D are the power couple of bone health. Calcium is a major building block of bones, while vitamin D helps your body absorb and utilize calcium effectively. Dairy products are well-known sources of calcium, but leafy green vegetables, almonds, and fortified foods also contribute to your daily intake. Vitamin D, on the other hand, is produced by your body in response to sunlight exposure. Pairing calcium-rich foods with vitamin D sources optimizes bone health. Enjoying a sunny-side-up egg with your morning spinach omelette, adding a dollop of yogurt to your fortified cereal, or simply stepping outside for a few minutes after a calcium-rich meal are simple yet effective ways to support bone health through food pairing. Beyond vitamins and minerals. Enhancing nutrient bioavailability. Food pairing isn't just about vitamins and minerals. It also encompasses other essential nutrients like antioxidants, phytonutrients, and healthy fats, all of which play vital roles in overall health and well-being. Antioxidants, found abundantly in fruits, vegetables, and spices, protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Pairing antioxidant-rich foods with healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, enhances their absorption and bioavailability. For instance, adding a drizzle of olive oil to your tomato salad not only enhances its flavor, but also improves the absorption of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes. Similarly, consuming turmeric with black pepper enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric known for its anti-inflammatory properties. By understanding these synergistic relationships, you can maximize the nutritional value of your meals. Food combinations to avoid. When good foods collide. While food pairing offers numerous benefits, it's also crucial to be aware of certain food combinations that can hinder nutrient absorption or cause digestive discomfort. As mentioned earlier, caffeine can interfere with iron absorption. Similarly, consuming calcium-rich foods with iron-rich foods can also hinder iron absorption. This is because calcium and iron compete for the same absorption pathways in the gut. While this doesn't mean you can never enjoy a glass of milk with your steak, it's best to space out their consumption to maximize the absorption of both nutrients. Additionally, combining certain foods can sometimes lead to digestive discomfort. For instance, eating high-protein meals with large amounts of fiber can slow down digestion and cause bloating in some individuals. Practical tips for optimal food pairing. Incorporating optimal food pairings into your daily meals doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some practical tips to get you started. Add a squeeze of lemon or a side of berries to your iron-rich meals. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption, so enjoy citrus fruits, strawberries, or bell peppers with your spinach salad or lentil soup. Drizzle healthy fats on your veggies. Fat-soluble vitamins need fat to be absorbed, so add a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of nuts, or a slice of avocado to your salads and vegetable dishes. Pair calcium-rich foods with vitamin D. Enjoy a glass of milk with your breakfast. Add yogurt to your smoothies, or step outside for a few minutes after a calcium-rich meal to boost vitamin D production. Spice up your meals with turmeric and black pepper. Black pepper enhances the bioavailability of curcumin in turmeric, so add a pinch of both to your curries, soups, and stews. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different food combinations make you feel. If a particular pairing causes digestive discomfort, adjust your meals accordingly. The joy of culinary experimentation. Food pairing isn't about rigid rules. It's about exploring the fascinating interplay of flavors and nutrients. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and discover new flavor combinations that tantalize your taste buds while nourishing your body. Try adding a handful of spinach to your fruit smoothie, sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on your yogurt parfait, or toss some chopped bell peppers into your scrambled eggs. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the most important aspect of healthy eating is to enjoy your food. When you approach food with joy and curiosity, you're more likely to make sustainable, healthy choices that nourish both your body and soul. A world of flavors for a healthier you. Food pairing offers a delicious and accessible way to enhance nutrient absorption and optimize your health. By understanding the synergistic relationships between different foods, we can make mindful choices that unlock the full potential of our meals. From boosting vitamin absorption to supporting bone health and protecting against cellular damage, the benefits of optimal food pairing are numerous. So, embrace the joy of culinary exploration, experiment with different flavor combinations, and embark on a delicious journey towards a healthier, happier you.